In this video, we're going to take a look at one of our other databases. Films on Demand is the library's streaming video website. And we're going to take a look at it, give you an idea, some of the overview, some of the resources you have available through it, how to access it. So first off, we'll show you how to get to it from the library's page in Blackboard. If you go to Databases, Articles, eBooks, and Streaming Videos, you'll come to our list of database links, and it is down here under Streaming Videos, and you just go to Films on Demand. So the main landing page looks like this. Basically, you're able to browse based off of some suggested topic, subject matter. As you can see, different videos that you can take a look at. You can also go here to this menu and browse by specific categories, popular topics, or even by specific video production areas. Or you can just do a simple search. This, like most of our databases, this is a basic keyword search, meaning that whatever you type in this field will be searched. Each word will be searched as a keyword, and the results returned to you. You can see here it'll search full titles, but also it will search different segments of videos that it has available, which means while maybe the whole documentary isn't about what your subject is, there might be a section of it that covers that, and that will also be returned as a search as well. So we'll go ahead and do a sample search here. So the search results will come up. It will tell you how many results came, and you can kind of take a look. It'll show you, you can watch kind of the video from here or preview it if you want to get an idea of what it looks like. So you can see here at the beginning, it'll tell you whether it's the full video or just a segment. These are segments from the same title. You can see this is Global Warming is the title of the documentary, and these are different chapters within that. I already showed you, you can preview it from here. You can share the link, or if you are signed in, you can add it to a favorite. You can also, from this page, do a couple different things. You can save the search, basically the results of the search, to come back to later with this. It will generate a link that will bring you back to this page. You can also filter and sort the result list to kind of fine-tune it a little bit to find videos that are kind of more relevant to what you're looking for. So you can sort it from basically the age of the video, newest to oldest. You can sort of search it alphabetically or sort it by more or less what's more popular, the segments that have the most views. You can also narrow it down even further by kind of subject areas, or you can basically filter it by if you were looking for a full video that was on this or just the segments. You can go by language, types of material, and within a certain copyright age, just in case, if you were looking for something that's a little bit more recent. As you can see from the description here, this first video is from 1990. If you're looking for something a little more recent, what this filter would allow you to do. And again, you can look for one from a specific production company. So we'll go ahead and we'll click on one of these just so you can kind of see what the page for one of these videos will look like and what tools you have available there. So it'll give you the title, what segment of the full documentary it is, and you can also see that over here on the right. It will tell you the full program name and then show you the different segments and highlight the one that you're currently viewing. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see a little bit more in-depth description. Subject tags, these are handy in case you were looking for another way to do a search. Maybe another search term you could use. You can click on one of these and it will take you to that particular subject area. And then some more specific details the production company, what video series it's a part of, the date it was added to the database, the copyright date, things like that. That sort of stuff that would be useful to you if you were doing your citation. But along those lines, also like most of our databases, this will have a citation tool too. But here I'll show you kind of the tool area for the different ways to manage this result if you find that it's a video that would work for your topic. First off, you can share the video. You can either email yourself a link, or you can just copy a permalink from here and save it. Another thing you can do with this database is you can actually create your own account within it. Basically, it's just a matter of creating a password and using your school email address that you can set up here where it says your profile. You can either log in once you've set all that up, or go in as a new user and set it up. The benefit of that is once you have an account set up, tools like this will become useful. You can create a playlist, meaning you can come back and basically view whatever video clips you found as you've been doing your searches. You don't have to copy and paste specific links. You just have that playlist there and ready to go. And then finally, like as I said before, like most of our databases, it does have a citation tool. If you click here, it will give you the different citation styles. You can see we have MLA, Chicago style, APA, and Harvard style. And just you can click through these different ones and it will format the citation accordingly. It also gives you the ability to export if you use citation software, including RefWorks, which is provided to you by the library. You can create an account on there. You would be able to export this citation to that, and it would compile it into your works cited page for your paper. Another feature on this that is pretty cool, it's over here where I showed you earlier, where it has the different segment links. You can think of this as kind of like a table of contents for the video. So you can jump to each segment by clicking on the title. But the second option here is transcript, and this is very nice. It's actually the entire transcript of the video that you would be watching. So again, if you're doing if you're using this for to cite in a paper, this makes it easier to find the exact quote you would be using. But another thing that's kind of nice is that as you scroll through here, if you see something that looks interesting, you can click that segment in the transcript and it will jump the video to that portion of it so you can watch it. So that's kind of nice in that you don't have to actually watch the whole video clip if you're looking for something specific. You can just switch over to this transcript view and kind of scroll through, and if you see something that looks promising, you can click on it and go to it directly. So that's kind of a basic overview of the database. Hopefully this gives you an idea of some of the resources that are available to you for it, because a lot of cases when you're doing a paper, you don't always occur to you that in many examples an instructor would allow you to use a documentary as a research source. So hopefully this gives you a better idea of how to do that, and as always, if you have any questions for us, feel free to contact us, and we will be more than happy to walk you through finding material on here that you can use.